People really enjoy watching videos. It is an excellent way to connect with your customers. If you want to start with video marketing, follow these advice. Videos can easily be used to explain your products or services to potential customers. Seeing how a product works will help your customers understand how to use your product and why buying from you is preferable to other sellers. So, learning to make videos to explain what you are selling will easily help build your customer base. Video is a great medium for conveying ideas. This works in any business by showing customers what makes your business special. A short video describing your products or highlighting the usefulness of your product. Remember to be clear and make any ideas you convey is simple to understand so that your video marketing campaign will be a total success. Try using others in your videos. This will give people the idea that you are not full of hot air. While it may be a little difficult to convince someone that the people in your video are truly fans of you and your products, it comes across better than always doing videos alone. While videos need to stand alone based on their content, they must still be promoted. After you upload your videos, try promoting them via social networks, newsletters, blogs, etc. It takes time for videos to rank organically in search engines, so they need a push to let people know they exist. Some of the most effective ways to gain an audience for your videos will be by using ads in social media or QR codes to direct people to yours videos. If they like it, they can instantly share the link with a friend, giving your business's video yet one more exposure. Want to produce professional videos? Visit the link in the description to start your free trial.